Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Art with Freedom. So today I have here with me these old poster colors which I don't really use now, and since for a while I wanted to decorate my glass window of my bookshelf, so I have decided to use these poster colors to decorate the glass window because it's better to finish them off than just to keep them any longer. Plus, if anytime ahead I change my mind and I wanted to redecorate the glass window, poster colors are very much easy to remove from a glass, and that's a very good plus point. So, and also they will be finished off with that, so that's a good thing. So with that, let's do this. So the very first thing I'm doing here is I'm making the markings on the glass. I'm making 10 centimeter squares all over the glass, and you must be thinking that why the newspaper is there behind the glass. That is because to avoid the reflection of me into the camera, so the whole thing will look more clear and good. And this is, I'm using paper tape here, or whatever else you call it. I call it paper tape. And I really wanted to apologize coming into the frame so much. I tried to avoid it, but unfortunately couldn't do it very well because it was a really hard video to actually shoot on for a single person actually. And you know, these colors, I wasn't really left with very much options because poster colors don't usually give you much of options, but I did whatever I could do best. And when it comes to colors, I'm very bad at that because I'm not really a color person. I'm more of a black and white person. Usually the colors I use is black or white. That's me. But using painting colors and painting is not really much of a thing. As you can see here, I'm such a very bad painter, but I did whatever I could do best. Actually not. Actually the truth is that I wasn't really even trying to do it. I don't know for what reason. I was just like, no, I don't really want to try. I was just like, let it flow, let the color flow, let the paintbrush go wherever it's gonna go. I'll improvise it later. So when I was shooting it, I was like, let's just do it how it goes. Actually, I was very scared that how will it look at first, but I was like, I was a little bit sure that whatever it won't look bad actually. That was that one thing I was very much sure of, that it won't look bad. But you'll see in a minute how will it look. Actually, painting I feel is really boring sometimes, but when I was doing this, it wasn't exactly boring. It was lengthy, but it wasn't boring. Well, it took a lot of time. The video is really short, but it took me a lot of time. And here I'm making some stupid patterns. I don't know why. Thinking of patterns when you are doing some work is really confusing. When you are just lying in your bed, you think a lot of designs, but when you actually do the work, it's like, what designs? What kind of design? What is a design? And that's the worst thing, you know, sometimes. And here I'm just blending the colors. Like, I don't know how to use them at all. But it's okay. It happens. It's fine. I'm going and going and going. And here comes the boring part. No, actually, this is the fun part. This is like this one, peeling up the tape. That's really fun. I really loved it. Applying the tape and peeling up the tape. It's the best part in the entire video, you know. And yeah, I'm done with it now. This is the part actually I wanted to do some light color here. It doesn't really have too much of options, and as I said before, but I mixed some colors and it was really dark, so I was like, I don't know how it look, but I tried it anyway. So it didn't look actually very bad as much as I was scared of. I think it looks fine. To me, it looks okay. It's not bad, and it's pretty much cool actually. You know, go for it. So if you like it, do share it with your friends. Do give your reviews in the comment section. Thank you so much.